Welcome to the World of Tanks augmented reality experience.
Let's get this show on the road.
Near the end of the Second World War, Soviet forces were stretching their resources to fight wars to the east and west.
Ready to fire.
They relied heavily on the backbone of their armored forces, the formidable tanks that defined the landscape of war.
Das war direkt neben uns.
1945, it was proposed to equip the T-44 tank with a 100mm gun to improve its combat characteristics. Two prototypes were built under the designation T-44-100.
Querschläger!
Enemy vehicle destroyed.
Wir sind erledigt. Raus hier!
However, only two T-44-100 tanks were produced at the end of the war. The tanks participated in no known battles. The machine gun equipped on the T-44 was the 12.7mm Dushka anti-aircraft machine gun, designed to deflect aircraft and halt advancing troops. The tank was based on the T-44, sharing the exact same chassis. The T-44 was itself an evolution from the experimental T-43 and A-43 tanks.
Vehicle destroyed.
The newly developed three-man turret of the T-44-100 was a notable improvement over the T-34's turret. The T-44 prototype used the 100mm D-10 cannon, already equipped on the Su-100 tank destroyers. The T-44 also may have used prototype cannons, the ZIS-100 and LB-1. In addition to other changes, the tank had road wheels with path rubber and torsion bar suspension. Overall, the prototype T-44-100 had better characteristics than the T-34-85, but for various reasons, it didn't go into production. Instead, it serves as a look into what could have been for the Soviet armored forces. They relied heavily on the backbone of their armored forces, the formidable tanks that defined the landscape of war.
Das war direkt neben uns.
In 1945, it was proposed to equip the T-44 tank with a 100mm gun to improve its combat characteristics. Two prototypes were built under the designation T-44-100.
Querschläger!
Enemy vehicle destroyed.
Wir sind erledigt. Raus hier!
However, only two T-44-100 tanks were produced at the end of the war. The tanks participated in no known battles. The machine gun equipped on the T-44 was the 12.7mm Dushka anti-aircraft machine gun, designed to deflect aircraft and halt advancing troops. The tank was based on the T-44, sharing the exact same chassis. The T-44 was itself an evolution from the experimental T-44.